Hey Andre, how much notice do I need to give to my employer when I want to resign? Well, to begin with, it's important to note that there is no requirement under the Employment Standards Act or any other applicable legislation to provide any sort of notice to your employer upon resignation. However, if, for example, your employment contract has a valid express term in it that requires you to give notice upon resigning, then legally speaking, you may need to give notice that aligns with the requirements in that term. Failure to do so may lead to your employer being able to come after you for what we call wrongful resignation. It's also important to note that this is exceedingly rare in Ontario for that to happen, but it is still a possibility. The exception to this requirement is that if you are resigning due to what we call a constructive dismissal, this is a fundamental change to your employment contract, and in that case, one of the options that you have is to quit without giving notice. Now, whether or not there is a fundamental change to your employment contract or not, it depends on the facts of your case, and the only person who would be able to tell you for certain if it is a constructive dismissal or not is an employment lawyer in Ontario who understands the case law, who would be able to tell you, based on your situation, whether you've been constructively dismissed, and if so, what is the next step to take. I'm an employment lawyer in Ontario. I'd be able to review your situation to let you know if you've been constructively dismissed, and if so, how to proceed. This has been Andre Issa, your friendly neighborhood employment lawyer. Until next time, guys.